Do I have that on the top ring down here or the bottom ring over here?
What?
Do I have it on the top or the bottom on the bit?
On the bit, I think you have one on the top.
Okay.
Why does it matter?
Because I want it the same on both sides.
Oh, okay.
This is a Timberwick. It's meant for a double. It's meant for 2 rings.
Ah.
The bottom ring, a little more pressure and does some other things. But right now, I want it the same. Okay. Easy. Okay, go. Oh. Good girl. Got this part. Okay. Oh. It's okay. Oh. All right. It's all right. It's all right.
Would you like me on the other side? Because she's a
No.
little jumpy.
No. You're fine where you're at. Never had this done before.
It's okay, Daisy.
Okay. Move off. Easy. Easy. This one wanted to go. Go. There.
Bear.
Easy. Easy.
I'm standing behind you.
That's fine. Honey, I have not once got a buck out of her. So you don't have to worry about that. She's not going to charge if anything. She's going to run in front of you. Give me the buck. Give me the buck.
Okay, you got it? I just don't want to drop it. It's okay, Daisy.
See, it's all right. Take this back.
She's like, I see that bucket of grain.
Oh, Daisy. Okay.
That's just Sadie.
Or Reva?
Sadie, that's a dog barking. Probably barking at the horses. But Sadie doesn't usually do that, does she? Bark at the horses.
So I want her to do this and not be afraid. You know what I mean?
Uh-huh.
Okay, move off. Move off. No.
At least she can back up.
Easy. No. Oh. Easy. Easy. I don't want to get tripped.
By horse poop.
Easy. Easy. Good girl. Just walk. Good girl. See, if I had the long lines, the longer ones, I'd have been tangled in them by now. You know what I mean?
She's running you down.
You tangled me. Walk on. Easy. Ooh.
She's got a graceful trot.
Good girl.
And her head's not that high.
Good girl.
And what's cool is her head's sort of supple. It's not that supple, but it's supple. I mean, it's not up high.
You got her? I just want a handful. Hold it up. I just hold this bucket up for me, please. Thank you. Gotta come with me a little bit.
You do realize I'm trying to get this on tape.
I know. There we go. Come on. You know it's okay. Yeah. See, I don't want her to become afraid of me to be at her side again. Okay, walk on.
I don't know what Sadie is barking at.
Good girl. Look at that, Mitchell.
Do you?
No, I don't care. 2 dogs. On whatever it is out there, we're fine. Got my phone. We could always hide in the tack room and call for help. Right?
Uh-huh.
Walk on. Walk on. Walk on. Good girl. Not. Walk on. I don't want to shake the ropes with her. Easy. Oh. Good girl. Walk on. try turning? Good girl.
Good
Walk on.
girl, Daisy.
Good girl. Easy. She hates this side, remember?
Uh-huh.
Easy. Not. She's dropping her grain.
Like, I'm
Easy.
dropping my grain, my gold.
Easy. Easy girl. Ooh. Ooh. Good girl. Walk on. That's a girl. Oops. Tripping over the frozen poop. Can't wait till it warms up enough I can clean this out in here.
What do you think there's under here, cement?
No, I know it's under here, dirt, but I clean it out in the summer. It just too frozen. It gets frozen in the winter. No, that way. Good girl, huh? Keep moving. Good girl. Oh, walk on. Walk. Just walk. Walk. Good girl. Walk.
Ooh, I'm tripping too.
Try not to, because you'll spook her. Baby, oh, oh. Come to my hand. Come on. Come. You can do it. No. Oh. You touch my hand. Now you got reins on you. That's scary. I want you to know it's okay. See? Good girl. Maybe out there, babe. That wind blowing everything around. Back this way. Girl. Good girl.
Don't mind me, Daisy.
No.
I'm just
Girl.
videotaping.
No, it's easy.
Don't mind me. I'm fine. I'm a good
No.
person.
Walk on. Easy. 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 Walk. Easy. Walk. Good girl. Not that way. Walk on. No. No. The other way. Other way, Daisy. Forward. Good girl. Little one never call me, but it's fair. Shut up. Walk. Walk.
Bear!
Look at the bucket, please. I'll take the whole bucket. Walk.
Bear! She's like, I can't get under there no more.
Okay, I want you to hold the bucket again. I'm going to take all this stuff off of her. Except for the weight trainer. Okay.
Okay.
Should never stand directly in front of her. Should know better. Should never stand directly in front of any horse.
He's like, what are you doing?
You asking me?
No, Daisy's looking at me like, what are you doing?
I said, you don't know what I'm doing. She's got a strong mouth. Nose being down just a little.
Oh, look at all that green on there.
All right.
Hey, Daisy.
You want to lick it off, Daisy? Come. Would you like to lick off the grain? Come lick off the grain. Lick it off. It's okay, you can lick it off. You can lick it off if you want. No? Oh, wait, off so it doesn't freeze on there.
She's like, can I have some more?
No, don't. Huh?
Can I?
But she's still following me after all that. I was afraid after doing something new with her, she'd bolt from me. She's still following me. I like that. I like that.
Come on, Daisy. Come touch my hand. Good girl. She's doing it with me too.
Good. Good, good, good.
Yep.
I want her to be, not to be afraid of any,
Okay.
people. You know, Bob and Sandy will probably have her first.
Now she's following me around like a puppy dog. Of course, I do have the grain. Yeah, I do have the grain bucket.
I didn't.
I don't think so, Daisy.
Okay, hold on. Bring me the, can you still videotape her? And bring the gray bucket?
I'm holding out the grain bucket.
Okay, got it.
Hey, Daisy. Hey, Daisy. You pretty girl.
Okay, back up so we can get some tape. Touch my hand. Not you tape. Daisy, come on, come touch my hand. I know we did something a little scary today. I want you to feel secure. Good girl. Let's scratch it right. One of your favorite spots. Yeah.
She's all cold. That feels good.
Yes. One of your favorite spots. Oh, that bridle was. Oh.
She likes her to be scratched on her bridle path.
Of course, when she's had a bridle on her.
You look so far away in the camera.
I know. Wait, that's Daisy, come touch my hand. She don't have anything.
I don't have anything, Daisy. I'm sorry, I don't have anything. She's like,
Touch my hand.
she's just seeing if I have anything to give her.
Daisy, come touch my hand.
Yeah. Go to
Daisy,
her. I don't have anything, silly horse.
Daisy, come here.
Come on,
Touch
Daisy.
my hand. Come on. Daisy, come touch my hand.
Go on, Daisy.
Daisy, come on.
Go on.
Yeah, she sees the camera. Isn't that funny? Daisy, come touch my hand.
She's like, what are you doing?
I have it. Come touch. I have it. Come touch. Come touch.
She says, but there's
Come
something.
touch.
But this black thing is really
Good
neat.
girl.
She says, but the black box is really neat. It's got a flashy light and everything.
Yeah, it's okay. There was a time when she was terrified of that. Come touch my hand.
And now she's really curious.
Yeah. She's less afraid. A lot less afraid.
So what's that?
Come here. Come touch my hand. Come on. Good girl. Let me get your halter and I'll keep taping for just a second.
You silly girl. Can I get some grain?
Not yet.
Yeah,
She's
girl.
gonna get her. She's gonna finish getting her reward as soon as I put her back on her.
Pretty girl. I can't do the touch my hand thing once.
Here.
Daisy, come touch my hand. Come on, Daisy, come touch my hand. Come on, Daisy.
She said she has the halter.
Come on, Daisy, come touch my hand. Come on, Daisy.
Let's see whose hand she goes to.
Come on.
Yours is closer.
Oh, good girl.
Back up so you can get it. Touch my hand. Good girl. Okay, you can stop videotaping now.